In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten an invitation link in Circle. So, this process is really straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step to make sure you can share your circle. So, invitation link in a compact and effective way. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Circle. So, admin account, make sure you have your username and password on hand or your preferred method of login ready. Once you've logged in, head to the left sidebar on your dashboard. Here, you'll find a section labeled Members. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage all the invites to your community. Once you're in the Members section, look for the Invite Members option and give it a click. This will bring you to a page where you can see the invitation link that Circle.so has generated for you. Now that you can see your invite link, the next step is to copy it. There's an option labeled Copy Invite Link. Click on that, and this action will automatically copy the full URL to your clipboard. Be sure to keep this copied link handy because we'll be using it in just a moment. Next, you'll need a URL shortening tool. There are several available, such as Bitly, TinyURL, or Rebrandly. Open any of these tools in your web browser. These tools are handy for creating short and manageable links, making them ideal for sharing across different platforms while maintaining a professional appearance. Once you've opened the URL shortening tool of your choice, you need to paste the circle. So invite link you previously copied. Look for an input field where you can paste the link, then hit the button that says shorten or create. In just a few seconds, the tool will generate a much shorter version of your link. After you've shortened the link, it's time to share it. Simply click copy to capture the new shortened link and you're ready to distribute it. This link can now be shared via email, social media, or even a website. It's concise, easy to manage, and looks great when shared with your audience. Finally, if you want to ensure everything works smoothly, it's a good practice to test the shortened link yourself. You can do this by opening a new tab in your browser and pasting the shortened URL into the address bar. Hit enter and verify that it correctly redirects to the circle. So sign up page. This step ensures that your inviters will land exactly where they need to without any hiccups. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to shorten an invitation link in Circle. So, with this new skill, sharing your circle. So, community invitation link is now easier and more efficient than ever. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.